Did you know that according to a recent study, 28% of Americans can't cook? Today, we're going to change that. Home cooking, ladies and gentlemen, is more than just a skill. It's an art. It's a passport to healthier living, a ticket to a world of flavors, and a gateway to creating memories with your loved ones. Yet, a surprising number of us find ourselves in that 28%, unable to whip up a simple dish. But fear not, because today we're going to embark on a journey, a culinary adventure if you will, to help you not just cook, but cook like a pro. The benefits of home cooking are numerous. It allows you to control what goes into your food, promotes healthier eating, and let's not forget, it can be a whole lot of fun. So are you ready to leave that 28% behind and join the ranks of home cooks? Strap in, because we're about to dive into the world of professional cooking. What's the secret ingredient to every meal? Confidence. And how do you gain confidence? By mastering the basics. The world of culinary arts can be a daunting place, but fear not, because the path to becoming a skilled home cook starts with mastering the basics. These are the tools that you'll use in every dish you create, the building blocks of all cooking. Imagine chopping an onion. It's simple, right? But perfecting that technique, making each slice uniform and precise, that's where the magic happens. That's where you start to gain the confidence. Next, sautéing, the sizzle of the pan, the aroma wafting through the kitchen, it's an experience. But again, it's all about technique. The right heat, the right amount of oil, the right movement. These are the things that make the difference. And then there's seasoning. It's not just about salt and pepper anymore. It's about understanding flavors, how they interact, how they can elevate a dish. Once you've got the basics down, you're ready to tackle any dish. Now, with the basics under our belt, we're ready to cook a signature dish, garlic butter shrimp pasta. First off, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need some fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined. Spaghetti pasta, of course. We'll also need a generous amount of butter, minced garlic, and fresh parsley. Oh, and let's not forget the star of the show, freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Start by cooking your pasta. You know the drill. Salted boiling water, al dente texture. While the pasta is cooking, let's move on to the shrimp. Melt half of the butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook until they're pink and opaque. Remember, shrimp cooks quickly, so keep an eye on it. Once done, remove the shrimp from the skillet and set it aside. Next, in the same skillet, melt the rest of the butter. Stir in the minced garlic, cook until it's fragrant. That's when you know it's doing its job. Now here's where our basic skills come into play. We're going to deglaze the pan with some white wine. This will lift all those delicious flavors stuck at the bottom of the pan. If you don't have wine, chicken broth will do just fine. Drain your pasta, but save a cup of pasta water. Add the cooked pasta into the skillet with the garlic butter sauce. Toss it well to make sure every strand of spaghetti is coated. If it's looking a bit dry, add a little pasta water. Now add the shrimp back into the skillet. Sprinkle in the fresh parsley and the grated Parmesan. Give it another good toss. Finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This will brighten up all the flavors and give it that restaurant quality taste, and there you have it, a plate of perfectly cooked garlic butter shrimp pasta. The aroma, the flavors, the textures, it's all there, just waiting for you to take that first bite. This is more than just a dish, it's a testament to your newfound culinary prowess. And voila! You've just made a professional quality dish right in your own kitchen. You've learned the basics. You've cooked a delicious dish. Now it's time for the final challenge. It's your turn to take the reins in your own kitchen. Don't just follow recipes religiously, dare to be different. Add a dash of your personality into each dish. Maybe it's a sprinkle of your favorite spice or a secret ingredient that only you know about. The beauty of cooking is its endless possibilities. So get out your pans, sharpen those knives, and let's get cooking. Try recreating the dish we've just made, or better yet, put your own spin on it. Once you're done, don't forget to share your culinary masterpiece with the world. Post your creations on social media, engage with other home cooks, swap tips and tricks. You never know, you might just inspire someone else to start their own cooking journey. Remember, the kitchen is your playground, so go out there, have fun, and cook like a pro.